my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. A lion unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grove Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And today, YouTube, today is indeed officially day 16 of our growing mango trees from seeds germination experiment. And before I show you guys what our mango tree seedlings currently look like, YouTube, this is what our 2 mango tree seedlings that we germinated here in our front yard garden extended grow area look like in our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our 2 mango tree seedlings currently look like on day 16. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you guys see exactly how fantastic our 2 mango tree seedlings that we did indeed germinate right over there on our front porch are currently looking like on day 16? You may recall, this mango tree seedling germinated approximately 5 days after we planted them. And this particular mango tree seedling germinated 6 days after we planted them here in these 2 pots. As you guys can see, YouTube, there's not much difference in the size between these 2 mango tree seedlings. The leaves on this particular mango tree seedling do indeed seem to be a little wider, given the fact that they did this particular seedling did germinate prior to this one. These leaves on this particular mango tree seedling seem to be slightly paler than the ones on this particular mango tree seedling. But indeed, YouTube, indeed, nonetheless, our 2 mango tree seedlings that we were able to indeed successfully germinate from seeds are currently looking like right here, right now, in our front yard garden extended grow area on, again, day 16. We currently have about 6 inches of growth from our soil level to the top of our 2 mango tree seedlings. Both of our seedlings have a minimum of 6 leaves on each seedling. This particular seedling here actually grew a couple of more leaves way down there at the soil level. I'm not sure what that's all about, but again, YouTube, on day 16, we have about 6 inches of growth on our 2 mango tree seedlings. They are both healthy and happy in these 2 pots. We did plant these 2 seeds in a mixture of Miracle-Gro garden soil and Miracle-Gro potting soil. We used the garden soil because Miracle-Gro garden soil has fantastic water retention capabilities, and we used the Miracle-Gro potting soil because not only does it have a lot of nutrients in it, it also has perlite in it, which helps to keep our soil aerated and keeps our soil from ever being too moist, no matter how much water we put on these. And we don't water these that often. We keep these either over here on this porch during the day, over here on this table during the day, or over on our front porch, or during the heat of the day. We bring them out in the evening, let them get a little indirect sunlight as we continue to try to harden them off to our environment here. But again, YouTube, again, day 16, and our 2 mango tree seedlings are indeed looking fantastically well. We've already decided that we will indeed be keeping this particular mango tree seedling to plant here in our gardens, and we will be giving this particular mango tree seedlings to one of our subscribers. You already know who you are. Once we get this particular mango tree seedling 2 to 3 months old, we will indeed ship this to you and try to get it to you overnight. Hopefully it won't get damaged during the shipping process. We wish you much success growing your own mangoes at your own home. The one we did indeed decide to keep for ourselves, we could only think of one name to name this particular mango tree seedling. And that name would be Lionheart 84. My dear friend Brett, you were the first one that came to mind when we decided we're thinking of a name to name our mango tree seedling. And since you grow so many exotic fruits there at your house, we thought who better to name this particular mango tree seedling after than you, my brother. Again, YouTube, this is our mango tree seedling that we did indeed name Lionheart 84 after our dear friend Brett. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Day 16 of our mango tree seed germination experiment. And things are indeed looking well. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to Sharp for letting this light you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation is the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time, cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was years ago when I first hit the rap game, and way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This line is on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss.